Welcome to Study Loop.
So the purpose of a heat engine, this is it's to convert one form of energy, and this is usually thermal energy, into a more useful form of energy, and this is usually mechanical work. Now, it could be any form of energy specific to that application. So it doesn't always have to be mechanical work. It could be electrical energy, um, or vibrational energy, whatever form of energy you want for that specific application. And the bird can be considered a heat engine because the bird is converting solar energy. So solar energy is simply thermal energy. However, it's specific in that it is coming from the sun. So solar energy into mechanical work. And because that is the purpose of a heat engine, the bird can be considered a form of a heat engine. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.